Hello guys, welcome back to Fun with Java. So today I will teach you about literal and constant. Okay. Literal or number can be declared in Java. An integer is a whole number without decimal point. The integer values can be written in decimal, octal, hexadecimal and long form. Just as a recap, decimal is a number with base 10, start from 0 to 9. Octal number with base 8, start from 0 to 7. And hexadecimal is number with base 16, start from 0 to 9 and A to F. While long form is the same like decimal, but it can store much more value. Okay, so printf we use %d to display decimal, %o to use octal to display octal, and %x to display hexadecimal. And we use 0 to initialize octal and 0x to initialize hexadecimal. Okay, so let's see the example here. Okay, so I will declare first integer x equal to 34, integer y equal to 0. How much again? 0772 integer z equal to 0x 3ef long m equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, as you can see here, to initialize octal we must put 0 in front, while hexadecimal must put 0x, so the program will know whether it is decimal, octal or hexadecimal. To print, we must use %d for decimal, %o for octal, and %x for hexadecimal. While for long, we just use the same as decimal, which is %d. Okay, let me show you. System dot out dot printf. So this is the command to print the input that we put earlier. %d, okay, comma x. Don't forget to put the semicolon. System dot out printf %o for octal, y, z. Okay, before we run, we must put the \n. So when the program run, when it see the \n, it will make a new line. Okay, let's run it. Wait, oh sorry, I forgot to put the semicolon here. Let's run it again. Okay, 34, 772, 3F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, as you can see, the 0 and 0x here disappear because it only print the octal and hexadecimal number. Okay, but what happen if we put capital letter X here? Okay, this EF will also change into capital letter. Okay, see? If you want to convert octal and hexadecimal to decimal, we just simply put the %d here. Change %O and %x to %d. And we run. The program will automatically convert the octal and hexadecimal to decimal number. And that's the same as decimal to octal or decimal to hexadecimal. Just change here %O for octal, okay, 42, and %x for hexadecimal, okay, 22. Okay, next I will show floating point or decimal point values can be represented by using double. Double A equal to 2.34567. So when we print system dot print ln, this time we show you print ln, which means print line, and we just put A in the bracket and don't forget semicolon. When we run it, it will show 2.34567. Next is character. The character values are specified with the standard C notation with extension for Unicode value. Okay, so char C equal to A, char D equal to \n, which means new line, and char E equal to \u, 2122, which means Unicode character, TM. Okay, so here are the list for the Unicode character. When we print \u 2122, it will print TM, small TM here, which means trademark. Okay, let me show you. Char A equal to A, char B equal to \n, char C equal to \u 2122. Okay, and then print. A, B, and C. Okay, we print A and TM. This have two space because the first is for \n, which means new line, and the next is for print ln, also make a new line, so it will become two new line. Let's say if we delete the ln, it will only print one line. Okay, and last but not least, boolean. The second last is boolean. Boolean is value either true or false. For example, boolean ready equal to true and boolean late equal to false. When we print system.out.print ln ready, it will show true, and when we print late, it will show false. Okay, last but not least, constant. Constant are declared with the word final in front. Constant is the value for constant is fixed and cannot be changed. Okay, usually we use capital letter for constant, so we know that the value cannot be changed. Okay, example, final integer number equal to 23. When I want to change the value for number, let's say I want it to become 30, when we run, it will show error because the number is final, and final is constant and it fixed, cannot be changed. We cannot change the value for number. We only can print it or use it for calculation. Okay, 23. So that's all. Thank you.